Oh.
This is a solid oak, one-piece solid oak, white oak gunnel on this whole bow. So like from nose to tail, it's all one piece.
Alrighty guys, it is a beautiful day. I am back in Ohio and I'm on the Mad River with Jeff from Tight Lines Entertainment. He hit me up, offered to take me out in his beautiful new boat that I'm going to be showing you guys. And we're going for Mondo, Ohio brown trout. So I haven't been on this river in years. Like I said, I've been across the country, so it's a treat coming back, treat fishing, and yeah, we're gonna hopefully hook into a few beautiful fish here. I'm gonna let Jeff tell you a little bit about what we're gonna be doing and show you a quick view of his boat before we get on the water, because it's early morning and the fish should be biting.
All right guys, Tight Lines Entertainment at it again. We're gonna head downstream, hopefully hook into a couple nice good fish. Definitely gonna be finding a bunch of them little 12, 13-inch guys, but hey, they're still fun. We put a lot of time and effort into this boat. We're happy to share it with you. Thanks for coming along, Jacob. We're gonna go crush some big Ohio mad brown trout.
Also, we got Brendan the boat as well, who is learning the sticks and hopefully gonna put me on a few fish as well. So, beautiful day out here. I'm gonna put the camera down, get the GoPros rolling, and we're gonna go catch some fish.
We're gonna go with the old white ghost. There you go, and then point the nose straight down. That's where we want to be, because I'm going to fish this left side. Oh, I just had a fish come up.
I saw that.
Oh. There he is.
Did you see him on there?
Yeah.
There's got to be one here somewhere.
Good. Yeah.
Oh! Oh! He had it in his mouth. Did you see him?
I was watching the camera.
Oh, got him.
There you go.
Beautiful.
Fish on. Gotta drop that anchor. Yeah, I got the net. You're good. All right, first one in the net, guys. Way to go. Good job on the oars, man. Took enough swipes, but we finally got one to come out and eat.
Wow, that is gorgeous. Beautiful.
Gotta drop the anchor. There he goes. All right, sweet. That was awesome.
Way to go.
Nice.
You do it right there.
Yep.
One might have just swiped it.
It back paused.
Yeah.
Got it. So we're really getting into the heart of like the better water now. You can just bring him over here.
Oh.
There he is.
Wow, catching tanks.
Yeah. Look at the fly. Look, we can measure him next to the fly.
The fly's bigger.
All right, get another one. Get back in there. I'm gonna let him go for it. Okay.
Do it. Let's get his daddy.
Get his daddy, because he's around here somewhere. Right in front of
I
us.
saw him.
Look at this. You got that goose right in front of us?
Yeah. Not pleased.
No, not happy at all. We might get attacked here. I better turn my GoPro on. Yeah, she's getting ready to lunge at us.
Oh wait, I just saw the one you guys were talking about.
Right here.
Yeah, I thought you were talking about the other one. Oh my God.
I thought you were talking about the other one too.
You didn't see this one sit on the nest?
No.
She's a beast. Cover your head. We're gonna go something a little bit smaller since it is low and clear out. Bright sunny day. We're gonna go back to a white fly and we're gonna downsize something a little bit smaller, just a little D&D, something like that. So what we do, we like to put a loop fly on this and it just gives the fly a lot more wiggle, a lot more movement. The first thing you do is you do a simple overhand knot, just like this. Just a basic overhand knot, just like that. Feed the tag end right through the eye of the fly, just like that. So you got your overhand knot, tag end is through the fly, run it back through that loop. I like to take my middle finger and I put it right in there, pull it down, and then you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6 turns, and then I slip my finger back out, and then you take that tag end and you put it through both the loop and the hole, and then I pinch the tag end right there like that, and then I pull down because I don't like real big loops in the front of my fly. Just gives you something else to hang up on, and then seat it. And that's it. So you got a loop fly. So now that fly can freely move on that loop and it just gives it one more articulation in the front of the fly. That's how you do that. Yep. Once I get past this tip, you start casting all along that bank. Okay. Yeah, they're in there. Oh, that was such a nice fish. Oh God, it was such a nice fish. That was, oh God. Oh, I knew that
I had him too.
I know.
Like, he ate
You just
it.
need to strip it.
Yeah. Well, I definitely poked him. He was on there for a second.
Wait.
One shake and he was.
I need to regroup.
out.
I need a minute.
Oh my God.
I need a minute.
That was beautiful.
Did you see the fish? Did you watch? Oh my God.
Oh.
Dude,
That was such a nice one.
Yeah, we probably ate it.
I think he did. Hey, okay. He's actually like fighting. Come here.
Yeah, he looks like he tried to leave.
Right on the nose.
Flying. Let it go.
Wow. Look at that. We got a brownie.
Nice.
That's awesome.
Here we go.
Which fly is that?
That is a pheasant tail soft tackle. All right, ready?
Feels good.
You almost ripped the boat from the water. Set the hook.
Set the hook.
Shit on the hook. Ready? Oh. Can you grab that?
Nope.
Nope.
This is terrible evidence. Life outdoors. Doesn't know how to catch fish. That was awesome. Appreciate you getting me on one. Patience, man. It's amazing.
I think that we should go.
Yeah, I think we should too.
Good work. You got a stick in your boat. Uh-oh.
Thank you guys again for watching another episode. Hope you enjoyed that time that I had out there with Jeff. He's a super great guy. It was an awesome time fishing with him, and he does guide on the Mad River, so I will leave his contact information in the description. He's also going to be rolling out a lot more YouTube videos this year, so please do me a favor, do him a favor, go check out his channel. It is linked below. Send him a message saying that you came from this video, drop some comments on his version of the day, and subscribe to his channel because he's a great guy, makes great videos. He does like wedding photography and a few other things as well. And yeah, just super knowledgeable about the area. So thank you again for watching. Make sure to check out Jeff below. Thank you, Jeff, for taking me out. That was a killer day. Really wish I could have got that one fish on the streamer, but felt really nice to get out in Ohio, do a little nymphing, and get a small little brown. So again, hope you guys enjoyed. Check out my merch below as well. And I will catch you on the next episode of Life Outdoors. Peace.